Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the session of mindful meditation. I'm going to assist you in your meditation journey today. As shared by the Mayo Clinic, meditation has been practiced for thousands of years. It originally was meant to help deepen understanding of the sacred and mystical forms of life. These days, meditation is commonly used for visualization, relaxation, and stress reduction. It is the act of focusing the mind and body to relax and improve inner awareness and make positive mental and physical changes. You have the freedom to decide how this is done. Some people use visualization in their practice to assist. It is up to you to make your practice your own. Just allow yourself to relax and release all expectations and open yourself up to infinite possibilities. So we will begin. All right. Let's begin by situating yourself in a natural, relaxed position. Find a comfortable posture or position and let your eyes drift closed. Inhale and exhale. Observe your ribs and belly as you breathe. Notice the heaviness in your limbs, arms, legs, as they start to relax. Let gravity take its course and take you down to a tranquil space. Notice your body starting to relax and feel every part of your body soften and relax. Just be. With your eyes closed, breathe in and breathe out. Don't rush your breath. You have all the time you need. This is your time to be light and relaxed. Let your whole being exist in the present. Check in with your body to see how you are feeling. Do you have any tightness in any part of your body? If you need to move any part of your body, do so. Maybe you can massage your neck if you have to. If you have any tension there, do so. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a moment to visualize a place that brings you happiness and peace. What do you see? What do you smell? How does this place make you feel? Try to capture that feeling in this moment. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Visualize yourself at peace, maybe by a waterfall or by the ocean or whatever brings you peace. You have the power to find this peace when you need to. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel your breath enter your body, feeding your cells, nourishing your body. Breathe in and breathe out. When you emerge out of this meditation, you will feel calmer, yet more focused. You will experience how your breath can bring you peace. Visualize a beautiful and happy place and just be. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue taking controlled deep breaths in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Take one more deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Begin to slowly bring your awareness back. What do you feel right now? How do you feel? Have any realizations or insights presented themselves to you? Notice the way your body feels. Maybe it feels lighter and refreshed. Become aware of how you feel, and remember you can revisit this when you want. Begin to wiggle and move your fingers and toes. Gently start to move your body, and when you are ready, open your eyes slowly and inhale and exhale. You have emerged from meditation and ready to handle whatever comes your way. How will you use this sense of feeling to guide you in your day? How will you use your breath to achieve a sense of calmness? Every meditation practice is different. You may find that you have learned something new about yourself every time you finish a session. Thank you for your presence and your energy, and looking forward to another session. Peace.